bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Pull on the base of the glove box door and lift to remove the glove box from its hinges. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. With its airflow indicating arrow pointing down, install your new AQ1144 filter into the housing. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Close the filter housing. Reinstall the glove box by relatching the hinges. Some carefully applied pressure on the base sides will have it click into place. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.